Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Saujanya. I qualified GATE 2012 and GATE 2014 also. At the time of my GATE preparation, I prepared a simple table for easy remembering. From this table, you will get direct GATE questions. So please go through the table. Variation in semiconductor parameters with temperature. In semiconductor, so many parameters will vary with the temperature. I am presenting here one by one. First one is intrinsic concentration. Intrinsic concentration Ni varies with temperature in accordance with the relationship Ni square is equal to A naught T cube into e power minus Eg naught by Kt. So from the relationship, as temperature increases, intrinsic concentration Ni also increases. Second one, intrinsic conductivity. Intrinsic conductivity formula is sigma equal to sigma naught into 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. This formula you already know. Sigma is the conductivity. Here with the increase in temperature, the density of whole electron pair increases and correspondingly the conductivity is also increases. So, as temperature increases, intrinsic conductivity is also increases. Third one, mobility. Mobility is directly proportional to T power minus m. Mobility is the ability to move the electrons inside the semiconductor. So, as the temperature increases, intrinsic concentration increases. Therefore, the mobility to move the concentration of electrons is very less. So, the mobility is decreases with the increase in temperature. Fourth one, extrinsic conductivity. With the increase in temperature, the density of carriers will increases, results in decrease in mean free path of the conduction electrons or holes. So the conduction decreases with increase in temperature. Therefore, extrinsic conductivity decreases with the increase in temperature. Fifth one, mobility in extrinsic semiconductor. Here, mobility is directly proportional to conductivity. So, extrinsic conductivity decreases with the increase in temperature. So, mobility is also decreases with the increase in temperature. Another relation is also there. Diffusion constant is proportional to mobility. That formula you know, dP by mu p equal to dN by mu n is equal to Vt. Vt means Kt by Q. Here, mobility mu p is inversely proportional to temperature. So, with increase in temperature, mobility decreases. Sixth one, energy gap. Energy gap Eg is equal to Eg naught minus beta T. Here, with increase in temperature, energy gap is decreased in accordance with the formula. In N-type semiconductor, number of electrons constant and number of holes increases with the increase in temperature. And in P-type semiconductor, number of holes constant and number of electrons increases with the increase in temperature. This whole table is very important. You will get direct GATE questions from this table. ECE people, so please refer this table daily once in GATE preparation.